Okay, so in previous video we have seen about the basic concepts about cement. So now in this video we will be solving few questions based on that. Okay, so the first question is, cement is invented by. First option is Joseph Espadin. Second, Isaac Newton. This is B and this is C. Then the third is Henry Stokes, and D is none of the above. So direct question, who invented cement? Joseph Espadin. So the first answer. Now second question, what is the what is the mass density of cement? What is the mass density of cement? Option 1, 3140 kg per meter cube. Option 2, 2440 kg per meter cube. Option C, 1490 kg per meter cube, and option D is 1440 kg per meter cube. So what is the mass density of cement? 1440 kg per meter cube. Okay, third question, which of the following components which of the following components are present in cement? Which of the following components are present in cement? Okay, so बघा आता इथे ऑप्शन्स कसे दिले. 1 lime, 2 alumina, 3 ferrous nitrate, आणि फोर्थ सिलिका. ओके, आता नंतर ऑप्शन्स जे आहे मेन दिलेले आहे. सो मेन ऑप्शन आहे फर्स्ट 1 and 4, then B is 1 and 2, C is 1, 2 and 3, आणि D is 1, 2 and 4. So which of the following components are present in cement? कोणते कोणते चार मेन कंपोनेंट्स आहे? LISA. ठीक आहे, हे तुम्हाला माहिती असलं पाहिजे. फ्रॉम दिस, लाइम, आयरन, सिलिका and alumina. Okay, so from this, lime is present, alumina is present and silica is present. Ferrous nitrate जो है it is not present, so 3 is not the option. Okay, so 1, 2 and 4 it is present in D, so D is the correct answer. Next, which of the following components has maximum weightage in cement? सिमेंट मध्ये मॅक्सिमम वेटेज जे आहे याच्यापैकी कोणत्या कंपोनेंट्सला आहे? सो फर्स्ट इज लाइम, सिलिका, आयरन and alumina. So we all know LISA. ठीक आहे, 63, 3, 20 आणि 6. मॅक्सिमम कशाचा आहे? 63, that is lime. So first answer. Okay, so now last question, arrange the following components of cement in ascending order. ओके, आणि कंपोनेंट्स दिलेले आहे लाइम, सिलिका, ॲल्युमिना आणि आयरन. सो these 4 components are given. We have to arrange them in ascending order. ठीक आहे, असेंडिंग म्हणजे छोट्यापासून मोठ्यापर्यंत. तर सर्वात कमी जे आहे among these 4, which is the lowest? Lowest is iron. So first iron will be there. Then after iron, alumina. After alumina, silica, and the last is lime. So this is the ascending order.